Hearing is the process, function, or power of perceiving sound, while listening is the act of paying attention to sounds. It includes listening to the sounds of nature, listening to music, and perhaps most importantly, interpersonal listening. Four common causes of poor listening: 1. Lack of concentration. 2. Listening too hard. 3. Jumping into conclusions. And 4. Focusing on the speaker's delivery or appearance rather than the message. I experience lack of concentration or difficulty focusing because of sleep deprivation. In one occasion, a friend invited me to a Sunday service or a mass. I can't really concentrate because I didn't sleep for a day or two. So when I attended the service, I'm too sleepy. So I just ended up going home early.